So let's recap and put everything, girl. Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharon and I focus on beauty and fashion. So welcome if you're new. But today I have a skincare haul. So I am a skincare girl and I love skincare. Skincare is number one to me. I love makeup, but I feel like if your skin isn't good, if your skin isn't moisturized, if it's not exfoliated, if it's just not right, your makeup isn't gonna be good. So we gotta take care of the first thing, and the first thing is skincare. So I've been traveling a lot lately, and if you haven't watched my previous videos, go ahead and watch. But I went to Colombia for maybe 3 weeks, and then I went on a cruise for a weekend. So I was traveling all over the place. And you know, when you travel a lot, your skin really goes through it. And my skin is so out of whack, it's horrible. So I decided to order products because my skin has to be on point. Down in the description box below, I will have a list of all my products that I bought, as well as my website where you can get the products as well. So these are the products. They're all from Mary Kay. And if you didn't know, I am a beauty consultant with Mary Kay, and I've been with Mary Kay for about 6 years now. Love it. I think it's a great business, but I also love the products. I use the products religiously. Like, this is the only skincare I use. I really do believe in this product. It's not like I'm just selling it. Like, I use it daily, every day, all day. This is an order just for me. I did order my mom's skincare as well. She got a skincare set. Okay, so not only did I get skincare, I did get some makeup items that I'm super excited for. And mind you, these are great ideas for holiday gifts. So let's see. So I got the Ultra Stay Lip Lacquer Kit. And these are new. I think I tried it one time. Ultra Stay Lip Lacquer Kit. Okay, and I got it in the color Plum and Cherry. So I know that this has, I believe it's 3 products in here. It's the actual lipstick color. Uh-oh, dropping everything. Ciao. Actual lip color. And then you have the, what is this? The sealer. So this is gonna keep it on so you don't smudge or have lipstick on your glass when you drink or eat. It's gonna stay all day. And then the remover. Yeah, 3. From the natural line, Mary Kay just launched a new natural line. So I got the Nourishing Oil from Mary Kay Naturally line. So it has almond oil in this. This, oh my gosh, it's like butter. Oh, I can't wait to put this on my face. Oh, so rich. This is heaven. Heaven. That's all I can say. Heaven. So yes, and it's 100% natural. So this is our new natural organic line. So 100% natural. So if you're a natural person and you love organic and natural things, this is it. I got extra emollient night cream. Listen, this is my stuff. This is my zhuzh. I have one in my car, one in my bathroom, one in my bedroom. This is it. Now let me open it up for you. So, it looks like toothpaste. Every time I carry it around in my purse and I pull it out, people are like, where are you going with this huge tube of toothpaste? But it's not toothpaste. It is an emollient. So it's like, what is it? I want to say it's similar to Vaseline, but better. So it's for like burns or cuts. You can put this on your skin for added hydration. So love this. I use this on my lips. So when I have chapped lips, I use this on my lips. I use it on my hands, my feet, my elbows, any dry areas. I even put it in my hair for a little sheen, a little moisture. So love this. Okay, what else do we have? So we have extra emollient. We have the oil. The next thing I got was Bum ba da dum, bum bum ba dum. So this is the repair set. I was on the Miracle set. I don't know if you're familiar with Mary Kay skincare, but we have different lines depending on what you need, depending on your age. But I was on the Miracle set. So the Miracle set is a really good set. What it's gonna do is maintain the youthfulness of your skin. So whatever you have currently, it's gonna improve it, but it's gonna maintain it, right? And after you get a certain age, well, yeah, I'm not gonna tell you my age, but after you get a certain age, you need a product that's going to do some repair. We want to repair some damage. And I feel like my trouble area or my problem area, I would say, is under my eyes. I have the worst creasing, so I guess wrinkles. So whenever I put my concealer on, it like creases and I can't stand it. I hate it. I'm thinking about getting Botox under my eyes. Like, it's that bad. Well, it's bad to me. Some people are like, it's not that bad, but it's bad to me. So I decided to, before I go all the way and get Botox, I decided that I would try the repair set. So the repair set has a cleanser, a lifting serum, a day and night cream. The day has an SPF for sun protection in the day, and then the night cream is for night. It has retinol in it, so I'm gonna get nice, tight, and firm. Gotta keep this face looking good. I wanna stay like this forever. And then eye cream. So this is where I really need, this eye cream. So I'm excited about it. Love, love, love this. This is a great gift. And then think about this. You don't even have to wrap it. You just put a bow on it. It'll be a great gift for Christmas, birthdays, graduation, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day. Good gift. Okay, and then I got another one because it's from my mom. So that's for my mom. Making a mess. I love these little things. What are these? What are these? The bubbles? What are they called? Styrofoam. You know, that comes in packages. I love these things. They're so weird. Dropping stuff. Okay, so then I got a finishing spray. Love, love, love this because the girl gotta set her face. In South Florida, well, everywhere you need a setting spray, but especially in South Florida. When I say it is still hot outside, like, I'm so jealous of everyone else. It's like, what degrees is it? I don't even know. Where's my phone? I want to look it up. I don't know. It's hot. It's really hot. It's like 80 degrees. It's burning up. So need a setting spray. Set that foundation. Set that face, girl. And then I didn't get that much stuff. I thought I got more stuff. I got a new foundation brush. It fell out. A new foundation brush. I usually put on my foundation with a blending sponge. It's like a beauty blender. It's the sponge you wet. So that's usually how I put on my foundation. But I decided I wanted to try a new technique, a new tool, and I decided to get this new foundation brush. So it has a flat brush head and it's more dense. So I'm gonna test this out, let you know what I think. And then I got, it's a mask applicator. So it's rubber. It's rubber and it's just for mask. So I needed this because I need to do a facial on myself. So yeah, I need to do a facial on myself, so I need this. And I want to test it out. I haven't tried it either. And then what else? Okay, so then I got lotion. I am so dry. I'm super dry. So this lotion is everything. This is the Hydrating Lotion, also by Mary Kay. Love, love, love this. It comes with a shower gel. I think it's a 2-in-1. So it's a shower and shaving gel. I have like a new one at home, so I didn't need to re-up on it, but I did need the lotion. The lotion is amazing. It's very thick, creamy, good for dry skin. The scent is amazing. It smells like a fresh shower. Like you just got a lot of soap, hot steamy water. That's what it is, a fresh shower. It smells so nice and good and light. So love, love, love this. So I didn't get that much stuff. I thought I got more things. So I'm going to do a video with how I use the products. Because like I said, I use the products religiously. I love the products and my skin is amazing. I would like to say toot my own horn. Toot, 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 toot. So that's it for my skincare. And I guess it was a skincare and beauty haul. So it's not just a skincare haul, skincare and beauty haul. So that's it. Please make sure you subscribe. Come on, subscribe. I need you to subscribe. We gotta build our community. So come on, go ahead, click that button, click, check, hit that bell, ding, ding. So you're notified when I upload a video. Go watch my videos, go watch it, go like, go comment, go subscribe, go share. So the comment of today, please let me know what is something you would change about your skin. It could be anything. It could be discoloration, the texture of your skin. Maybe you want to make your pores appear smaller. Maybe you have dry skin, maybe you have oily skin. Maybe you're like me and you have wrinkles and your concealer is creasing. What is it? What is something you would like to change about your skin? But I would love to know. Everything's going to be listed down below. So my website will be down below, as well as all the products I mentioned in this video will be listed down below with the link. So if you don't have a Mary Kay beauty consultant, I'm here. I would love to be your consultant. So if you do not have one, please hit me up, let me know. I would love to service you and help you get these amazing products. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye.